The Vogel Sound 3550 mount is a versatile solution for securely mounting soundbars from all major audio brands. Constructed with premium black steel and aluminum, this mount ensures durability and a sleek aesthetic. It is designed to fit a wide range of soundbars, including popular models from Sonos, Bose, Samsung, and LG. This mount accommodates soundbars weighing up to 4.3 pounds, providing a reliable and stable setup. The Sound 3550 mount allows for seamless integration with Vogel's full-turn TV wall mount, optimizing your home entertainment experience. With over 45 years of experience, Vogel's offers a 5-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind and long-lasting quality.